Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with Doordash credits. So if you open up your Doordash app here, log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so when you get to your account option here on your top here, click on your account and then scroll down, and then you will under account you will see payment methods. Click on payment methods. So here you will see your Doordash credits details here. So under Doordash credits you will see the how much credit you have left in your account. So mine is none. That's fine. So if you have credits on your account, it will be mentioned here. So if you want to pay with these credits, what you have to do is simply, you don't really have to do anything. So when you make an order on Doordash, on your next order, Doordash will automatically apply this credit to your next purchase order. So whatever your purchase value is will be your final value will be minus your Doordash credits. So your credits will be automatically applied to your order on your checkout. So when you get to the checkout page, your final amount will be the amount minus your Doordash credits. So that's pretty much it. You literally don't have to do anything if you want to pay with your Doordash credit. You simply need to just get to the checkout, and then the payment credits will be automatically applied to your order. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.